damn, I swear, tights just do something to me on certain asses. Okay, let's continue to read this. In that first pic, that video made my hard. I had stopped watching because I swear I was ready to ask you how much. Girl, that video I comment on and you liked it, I swear you look like you riding it. I can imagine how the ass just going slow motion up and down, up and down. And on the third Sunday, John said to Jesus, y'all just nasty, alright? Let's get into this video. What up? It's your girl Shay. Welcome back to another video. Today I got something hilarious for you. If you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button because girl, we got a video for you today, okay? You ain't gonna want to miss this one. So I didn't know if y'all familiar with the Instagram, you know what I'm saying? But there's this thing called a DM, a direct message, where individuals on the gram can slide all up into your DMs and possibly holla at you. You know, 2020 was a year for me. I decided, Shay, don't be a bitch no more, okay? Answer your DMs. These are thirsty ass men and they just want your attention. Maybe, what if your mans was hiding up in your DMs? You know what I'm saying? Maybe I could be married right now. Where the ring at? I could be married and he might be in my DMs unread. Okay, think about that. Think about that, y'all. Y'all never thought about that. All right, 2020. We got a new Shay. All right, we got some props right here. On your ass, okay? Because y'all nasty. Y'all nasty. Sliding up into my DMs, talking about some No. All right. I've had to suffer with this in silence, but now y'all gonna suffer with me today. All right. So today we're reading my nasty, inappropriate, X-rated DMs. All right. Now I went through my DMs. There was a plethora. I don't even know that word. There is a plethora of them, and I sifted through the juicy ones so we can read it together. All right, you ready? Now, this ain't for kids. I'm just saying. I know I'll post some thirst traps sometime on Instagram. By the way, follow me on the Instagram. Maybe you can slide into my DMs and you might make it to one of these segments. Now, I know I have been guilty of posting a thirst trap or 3 or 13 or 13, okay, but let me tell you something. I do not want your nasty asses up in my DMs talking about I want to put my face in your and from the okay, I'm gonna just let you use your imagination on that one, all right? So if that's something you're interested in too, hit that like button so everybody else in the YouTube world can see this video and have a laugh too, alright? And let's make a deal. If I make you laugh today, hit that subscribe button because I don't want you to miss a video. I just got a message on my DMs. I wonder what it could say. Okay. Let's see what it says here. Where are you from, baby? Because I would definitely pay you to be my trainer, LOL. You reply to comments. I know your DMs be full of thirsty ass niggas talking about how your ass is and this and that and the third, LOL. Shall we continue? Let's continue, all right, because he left me a few more. Okay, so let's read it. I'll have that ass like that. Shit out of that fat ass. Images concealed to protect you from unwanted content. I mean, they could have protected me from this unwanted content, but you know what? I still got the DM, so. Do you want to make $2,000 doing booty videos? I can show you proof. And then she sent a photo. I'm confused what the photo gonna be, unless it's $20,000 sliding up into my bank account. That better be the photo. Okay, blocked. This person didn't even have the audacity to even say hi. He just slid right in. Nude? Nope. So here's what I got from this guy. He likes all my damn pictures. He wrote, baby. Those green asses. I feel like, I don't know about y'all, but I think I have one ass. But you know what? It's not pretty big. Love to put my face in it. Is this working? Jesus Christ. Like, what would give you the right? I just want to know where this works. Like, you just gonna slide into someone's DM and she gonna be like just dripping. Honestly, this one was a nice one, so I actually kind of like it. May you be uplifted by the ancestors, my beloved daughter. Thank you. That's so sweet. This is a picture of me and my friend. We went to the gym on Christmas Day. Shout out, girl, if you're watching this. But he wrote, delicious. Oh my God. I mean, we was all sweaty, but if you would like booty sweat, I'm sure that is delicious. This guy really tried it. Hey, what's up, baddie? What's up? Is I ain't like you sliding up into my DMs like that. I mean, why can't you take these comments to the comment section where it actually counts? Because this shit, I ain't gonna answer this. Damn, that ass. Let me just see right here in this Bible. Which scripture does it talk about that ass? I just want to know. Y'all know what scripture? Maybe it's John 12. First of all, I ain't gonna deny it. I'll post some booty pics because I work hard for that ass. It is 2020. I'm trying to put some mass on that ass. By the way, I make workout videos. So this guy comments on like every single picture, and you know, I just be polite and I put a heart because I don't want to entice him and answer him. But he wrote, very hot and sexy. Look, my beautiful friend. Beautiful lips, cat friend. Cat, I'm confused. Why am I the feline variety here? I really like your very big, full-size, very beautiful, soft boobs. Love it. Your boobs. Hi. And of course I didn't answer. Hi. Then he comments on my story again. Beautiful boobs and very beautiful back. Body cat. Friend. He then proceeded to go into my comment section and beg me to be his friend. I beg. He begged me to be his friend. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but I just get these weird ass foreign men just all up in my DMs, just offering to marry me and putting like 1,000 emojis. I am fine where I am. Thank you very much. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comments, but y'all just doing too much. Why is it always the foreign men that gotta go, your beautiful skin like Beyonce, your black skin, you look beautiful like honey, deep like chocolate of the earth, covered in fruit and nectar. Why? Just, I'm black. That's it. Just why do you have to associate me with chocolate? I don't get it. This is another guy, foreign guy. He be in my comments. So he commented on my picture. Perfect. Amazing. Wow. I like you. Shay, I want to be your friend, please. And then he proceeds to start a video chat, which I declined. You are so beautiful. Hairstyle. Wow. Shay, I want to be your friend, please. Honestly, I can't hate on my DMs because my DMs are not always full with the creeps, okay? The Bible worked, all right? So I got some nice one. This one was actually really sweet. He said, I think you're a phenomenal woman. Thank you for being such an inspiring force on this dimension. Keep doing what you're doing and greater success is near. I believe in you. Thank you. That is the proper way to slide into one's DMs. This one just keeps commenting on my story. Sexy. Hi, Shay. Hi. Sexy. This guy didn't even say hi, just wrote damn with the @ sign. With the @ sign for the A. So you know it's extra damn. He who is not guilty of sliding into one's DMs shall receive a friend request from said shea butter. Any appropriate DMs will be answered. Any inappropriate DMs shall be blocked. John 13. Okay. Y'all, this shit was fun. There was plenty of DMs that I could not even include because the amount of censorship. The whole video would just be like, I'm telling y'all, like it's just, I can't do anything about it because that's how vulgar y'all are in my damn DMs. I don't get it. What did I do to deserve this? Being a woman, I don't get it. Maybe y'all, because I get a lot of men commenting on my videos, so maybe y'all can explain to me. Have y'all ever slid into someone's DMs and what happened? Did they answer you? Did you get their number? What's the goal? What is the point of sending a DM? Is it just to say that you did it? Is it just because you know in your heart that you sent it? You know, I don't understand. I had so much fun recording this video. You don't even know. Just going through these DMs, honestly, because I don't even look at them. Okay, I only looked at them to record this video. So if you liked this video, I hope you liked that. Did you like that video? Okay, you liked that video. Well, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one. And let me know down below. Do you want to hear part 2, part 3 of this, part 4 of this? Because I think this shit's hilarious. Because, you know, I got just like a plethora of DMs in my Instagram. And I want to read it with y'all, okay? So let me know. Bye-bye.